This one's my favorite because it will open up so much space for your sound in order to get through a phrase, get through a note, hit higher notes, hit that note without it cracking, becoming squeaky or hurting. Na, ne, ni, no, nu, na, not na, ne, not ne, ni, not ni, no, not no, nu, not new. You're going to put your fingers on your nose. We want it to buzz here, and you're going to go na, ne, ni, no, nu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Let that jaw, the bottom part of your jaw, drop. Think that it's coming from your cheekbones again. This is your superpower. This is how we can get that sound to be more up into this cavity. Your sound is supported by here, created in your vocal folds, but it should feel like your sound is coming from here, never from here. And sing through the N. So strong right now. My stomach is so strong right now. One more. If you can't hit the high ones yet, don't push yourself. Stretch, don't strain. Pain is not gain when it comes to your voice.